This is Richmond. This is my YouTube channel, and it's for math and science only. I want to make math and science very easy here. So, if you want to learn science and math, please, this is a very good channel for you. All that you need to do is just subscribe to my channel by hitting on the red subscription button there, and then you'll be part of the group. And you can also click on the notification button up there, and then you'll be notified anytime that.
Okay, this is Richmond once again, and then we're taking the tutorial. We're continuing from where we ended the other day. It's all about relative atomic mass of compounds, and I really love this one. Yeah. Okay, we're dealing with paracetamol today, and all that we need to do is that we have to calculate for the relative molecular mass of paracetamol. I like me taking paracetamol as a painkiller to do all those things, but maybe you're a chemistry student, you should know how you calculate the relative molecular mass. And I explained the relative molecular mass in my first tutorial to be like the sum of the individual relative atomic masses that come together to form a particular compound. So we have a paracetamol constitute as like a lot of elements come together to form the paracetamol that we've been taking as a painkiller. And then today we want to know all the elements that come into paracetamol and the atomic masses of each element that come together to form the paracetamol. All right, so let's take something here and look at something. Let's take the relative atomic masses of the various elements, and I said that this one, student, don't chew it. I want to write your words, you don't try to keep everything in your mind because they'll be provided always. So carbon is equal to 12. And then one thing about this, that if you keep on solving a lot of questions, it gets to a point that you know all the relative atomic masses of the element and you don't even know how to like cross-check because you know them. H equal to 1, and then O is equal to 16. O is oxygen. We have nitrogen equal to 14. Okay, so then somebody's waiting. What is the chemical formula for paracetamol? Okay, so paracetamol is having a formula like this: CH3CO and H, C6H4OH. This is the chemical formula for paracetamol. That is a very famous painkiller in the world. So it means that for them to found this paracetamol, they need to mix a lot of carbon, a lot of hydrogen, a lot of oxygen, and then nitrogen in a particular proportion. How to get this? Okay, so to make this one very simple, please let's start. So the relative molecular mass of the compound. So let's write a compound again, and this is a compound. Okay, this is the compound. And then what do we need to do next? All that we need to, let's try and break this one down. Let's reduce this chemical formula too broad. So we can do this by trying to count the number of carbons here, group them together, the number of hydrogens here, group them together, the number of oxygen, group them together. Let's count them together. Carbon, we have one here, another carbon here, two, another 6 carbons here, making 8. So we have 8 carbons. So we can write C8. How many hydrogen do we have? Hydrogen, you have 3. 3 here. We have 1 here, making 4. We have 3 here. We have 1 here, making 4. We have 4 here, making 8. We have 1 here, making 9. So we can write H9. Okay. And then let's talk about the oxygen. How many oxygen you have? Oxygen, you have one here, you have another one here. So oxygen 2, and then we have nitrogen, only one nitrogen here. So nitrogen. So our relative molecular mass of the paracetamol have been reduced to this. So now, how many carbon atoms do we have in all in the general compound? It's 8. So write 8C plus how many atoms of hydrogen we have here? 9. So 9H plus how many atoms of oxygen do we have? Is 2. So 2O, and then plus only 1 atom of nitrogen here. Perfect. So what do we do now? All that we need to do, let's think about the relative atomic masses of the individual atoms in the compound. And we see carbon is 12, so we came in right here. 8 multiplying 12 here plus 9. What is the relative atomic mass of hydrogen? Just 1. We plug it here. Plus 2. The relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So write your 16 here. Okay? 16 there. Alright. Plus, in nitrogen is only 1 atom, so write 14 here. Very easy, okay? So let's continue and see how we can do here. So to continue with me, that 8 times 12 give me 96. So I have 96 here. Plus 9 times 1 just give me 9. Plus 2 times 16 give me 32. Plus 14 here. Okay. So now gradually we are getting there. Gradually we are getting there. So how do we do next? How do we do next? Just add them. Let's try and add everything together. So we have 96 plus 9, and they give me 105. So I have 105 here plus 14 plus 32 give me what? 46. I have my 46 here. And just very simple. Now as we are going, things become very simple. So now 105 plus 46 will give us 151. So 151 here. And finally, that's what we get for the relative molecular mass of the painkiller paracetamol. So thank you, and we'll meet again for further tutorial. Please, all that I want to do for me is just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you can also share this tutorial to relatives, to friends, and then to brothers and sisters. And also I want to also hear your comment. Any comment that you have, let me have it through my comment section. And if you want me to prepare any tutorial in chemistry, physics, biology, please let me have your comments below so that I can do. Thank you.